You can use whiteboards by accessing the Present menu in Engageli. Click Present and select Whiteboard. We offer both class-wide and table-level whiteboards. We're going to use a class whiteboard for this. Table whiteboards are individual whiteboards for each table, so they cannot be viewed by the entire class. The class whiteboard can show input from all learners. There are multiple tools that can be used to annotate, including sticky notes, text, highlighting, and pen tools. Permissions for learners to draw on the whiteboard can be changed with the Restrict Editing to Staff option. This allows you to use the whiteboard without interruption.